Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to another video on our Nifty weekly series. So, as I told you, I'll go through the entire week's post market analysis after the end of the week. So, today we are 2 days past the week of March 10th to 14th. So, this is the weekly analysis video. Okay. So, yeah, so going through the content. So, on day one, which is the March 10th, if you see, this is the chart of Nifty, and this is a 5 minute chart, and it's taken from TradingView. So if you see, Nifty opened with a big green candle here and was bullish initially. It was bullish initially, and then it took reversal at S1 at R1 basically of CPR. It took reversal, and then it broke the CPR range also. So it broke the CPR range for the day, and it also broke the VWAP super trend as well as 200 EMA and was bearish once it broke the CPR range. Okay, and CPR was very narrow for the day. So yeah, that's for March 10th. Coming to March 11th, Nifty opened gap down here, but was bullish after that, and it was bullish throughout the day basically. And yeah, so it took the support of S1 of CPR, and then it was bullish throughout the day, and it ended at 200 EMA, and the range of the CPR was medium on this particular day. Yeah. Okay, coming to March 12th, if you see, Nifty opened with a red candle here and was bearish initially from the start of the day, and it broke the CPR range after some time, and then was bearish for some time. Then it took support at S1 again, and it was bullish for some time, and it ended within the CPR range and near VWAP 200 EMA, and the yeah, in that range it ended, and CPR was medium for this particular day. So coming to March 13th, if we see, so this is a chart pattern. It opened with a very big red candle and was bullish. It took the support of CPR. CPR was very narrow, so it took the support of CPR, and it went till this is a Camarilla pivot. Um, the range basically the different S1, S2, S3 of Camarilla pivot points. So it went till that point, and then it took resistance from there, and it came down. It broke the CPR range and was bearish throughout the day. It was always taking resistance at the CPR as well as the yeah, and it was below the 45 the VWAP as well as the super trend for the day, and it was taking support of S1 throughout that. Okay, so that was for March 13th. March 14th was a holiday due to Holi. So coming to the daily time frame, so if you see the daily chart, it was non-directional for the entire week. If you see, it's totally non-directional, but the market is still below 200 EMA as well as 45 WMA and super trend. So it can be considered still a slight bearish. It can be considered bearish only, but for the week for the if you see this daily time frame, it is non-directional. Okay, coming to weekly time frame analysis, so this formed a bearish candle basically in the weekly time frame. It's not a strong bearish candle, but the sentiment is bearish only because it's still under super trend, the 45 WMA, and it is at the support of S3 Camarilla pivot point. So we have to see right now. So that's the weekly time frame analysis. Coming to the monthly chart, if you see, the monthly chart has formed a green candle, but this is a weak green candle. Um, has it's a very weak green candle, but it's at S3 the Camarilla pivot point support. So yeah, that's it for the weekly analysis. Thanks everyone for joining the call. Have a nice day. Bye.